Good morning, student, and welcome in reasoning class. We are doing chapter number 4, mirror images. Question number 1 to 8 we have done. Now today onward we are doing question number 9. Now question number 9, the mirror image of D we have to find. You have given the alphabet D and you have to find the mirror image of D. नाउ डी की मिरर इमेज क्या हो जाएगी, इसका फेस रेसिप्रोकल उल्टा हो जाएगा इसके. तो हेयर यू हैव टू सी द डिफरेंट शेप्स ऑफ डी, दिस वन, दिस एंड एग्जैक्ट शेप ऑफ डी इज दिस. इसका फेस इस तरफ है, जब मिरर इमेज में देखेंगे तो डी ऐसे बन जाएगा हमारा. सो योर आंसर इज ए पार्ट. राइट आंसर इज ए पार्ट. नाउ इन 10th क्वेश्चन you have given one triangle and few arrows. So we have to find the mirror image of this. We have one arrow this side, upward direction and downward direction. Now we have to see the mirror image. Direction change हो जाएगी. ये arrow इस तरफ है, ये इस तरफ आ जाएगा. Now we see इस तरफ arrow कौन कौन सा बन रहा है. वन ये इस तरफ बन रहा है, ये भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. ये बन रहा है एक ये बन रहा है और ये दूसरी तरफ बन रहा है, ये भी पॉसिबल. नाउ वी हैव टू कंपेयर दीज टू एरोज. वन ये दोनों एरो बन रहे हैं. सेकंड दिस साइड एरो इज गोइंग टू अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. नाउ दिस एरो कम हियर दिस साइड अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. नाउ अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन इज दिस एरो and this is a downward direction, so it is not possible. We have to see this B part. So our answer is B part. If we compare the third arrow is downward, it goes here. तो ये arrow यहाँ आ जाएगा downward direction में. So our right answer is B part. Now look at the question number 12. You have given a star and two corners are shaded. Now the mirror image of this we have to see. ये दो कॉर्नर शेडेड है, जब हम मिरर इमेज देखेंगे तो इस साइड के दोनों कॉर्नर शेडेड आ जाएंगे. सो वी हैव टू सी दिस वन, दीज टू कॉर्नर आर शेडेड एंड वन एज इट इज ही. ये साइड ऐसे ही रहेगी और ये दोनों कॉर्नर शेडेड हो जाएंगे. इन A, B and C we have seen that the exact answer is A part. These two corner are shaded and this corner as it is. Now let's do question number 15. You have given few alphabets C, D, F and E. We have to find the mirror image of this. Now D comes at first place and C at second place. Now D look like this way. Now we have to compare the word D here, first place, here not possible. It is also on first place and first place. ये भी नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि सेम इमेज दिखाई हुई है. Now we have to compare D and A. Now C, we have to change the face of C. Now C is like this way. Mirror image here is also, ये both are same. Now we compare F and E. Now F and E at first place. Now E and F, and if we compare this word, E and F are not the mirror image of this. So our right answer is 15. Question A part is C, D, E, F. This is the right mirror image of question number 15. Now let's do question number 16, Z. We have to simply find the mirror image of Z. Now we have to compare. This is the mirror image of, this is simply alphabet N. This is the mirror image I think of Z. रेसिप्रोकल उल्टा हो जाएगा. इस तरफ है फेस, अब इस तरफ फेस हो जाएगा. दिस इज सेम नंबर अल्फ़ाबेट Z and this is the mirror image of N. So your right answer is 16 questions. B part is your right answer, right image of the alphabet Z. You have to complete question number from 9 to 16. Few I have done and other your homework. You have to complete these questions. Okay student, bye bye.